What is going on, fellow fishing adventurers? Today I'm out with my buddies Parker and Grady, and we're going to be spending the next 24 hours camping at Inks Lake State Park in Burnet, Texas. We're going to be doing some fishing for bluegill, bass, catfish. We're going to be setting out my first jugs for catfish, and hopefully we'll be doing a catch and cook. Let's get right into it. I will see y'all on the adventure. Let's go.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take sh**. I got no love for the fakeness if you wanna play tough.
Okay, we got the mini boat packed up. We have the new upgraded seats. I made a short putting these things on. They're sick, like some real little bass boat seats. We got the mini boat all loaded up on the trailer, and then as you can tell from the back of our car, we are ready to go. We are packing way too much stuff for 24 hours camping, but we're good to go, and let's get heading to Inks Lake State Park, baby. Whoa!
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take sh**. I got no love for the fakeness if you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take sh**. I got no love for the fakeness if you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take sh**. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that, spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas, think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past and the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness.
Okay, y'all, so we've been driving the boat for about 30 minutes now, probably 20, but we just made it back to where nobody really fishes, and that is where the mini boat comes in. This thing is so small and beat up, you can just drive over anything. It's about 15 feet deep where we are currently, and this cove looks amazing, so we're gonna set up some catfish jugs along the sandy bottom in this mouth of this creek. Ooh, some bass to the right. And then we're gonna get some fish, actual fishing lines out. There she goes, okay.
Here's your fish sauce. Okay.
2. It's probably good.
Probably.
Got him. Oh, it may be way too big, I can't tell. Way too big. You want to keep it to eat them, maybe?
Or we could put it on catfish.
Yeah, keep them. So we throw them in that bucket.
It's supposed to be for catfish, but you know, it's big hook. There's a big bass.
Dude, I want to catch that drum. The thing was so big. Oh, hey, that worked. It just came off the dang line. Oh yeah, look at the turtle!
I would not take it.
Oh,
Oh, that was good.
that's what I needed. Yep, got at least one.
Nice.
Here, if not, we're eating bluegill.
Alright.
But I'm
And
not.
burgers. Bluegill and burgers. And Dr. Pepper.
Oh, you got Dr. Pepper.
Oh yeah.
Oh, I see a bass right there.
Alright, let's go baby, let's go baby. I'll go find that.
Oh, you already got it. Oh my god! Oh my god! We gotta find out what the length is. Hold them in the net. Minimum length is 14 inches. Just for this, honestly. We'll probably get a catch one. First bass. Will you hand me another shiner? First bass. Did you see how short that took? Oh, I may see a big one. I can't tell. It's so hard to tell. Got him. Oh my god. Scale is zeroed out. I bet it's probably 2, maybe over. Oh, over 2.5 pounds. Oh man.
More than 14.
Dude, oh yeah, that's 20 maybe. Oh man. Put them in, yeah, put them in the net. Okay, y'all, so we just determined that this bass is not a female, it's a male. You can tell because it doesn't have a real big stomach, so we're gonna take it home, have a nice catch cook. Okay, y'all, so we just got back. It is getting dark, so we made it back just in time, and we've only run one of the mini boat batteries. We still have a whole nother 12 or 24 volt, whatever it is, battery, so we're gonna go back in the morning, hopefully catch some more, and we're gonna go ahead and fillet this guy. I'm not gonna show y'all too much, guess what? Probably know how to fillet fish, and it gets a little messy, so we're gonna get back to y'all when we have these filleted up and clean.
10 out of 10 we recommend.
My first bite. Oh. You guys, this is literally some of the best fish I've ever had. White, oh god. White, flaky to the touch.
Delicious.
Okay, so it is currently like almost 11. I don't know if y'all can see, but 11 o'clock at night. And I'm in my tent, all zipped up. Got my survival bag ready to go. And we're gonna go ahead and get to bed. And me, Parker, and Grady are gonna wake up at 6:30, get out on the water, and do some bass fishing and check our catfish jugs. I'm pumped. So far, this trip has been awesome, and I can't wait for tomorrow. See y'all in the morning. Okay, y'all, so it is currently... What's the matter? It's 7 a.m. and we're about to jump into the mini boat. We've already cleaned up our tents and stuff, so we're good to go. And we're going to drive... Well, they didn't, but I did. And we're going to go really far to that same spot. And we're going to check the jugs, do some bass fishing, cast net some bait on the way. Just push. Ready? Set. Go. There we go, just keep going, just keep going. It's gonna get momentum.
Just like that.
That's pretty dang beautiful, boys. Are you okay? Are you okay? Dude, seriously, are you good? Okay, y'all, so we're not positive yet, but our jugs are about half a mile that way, and there's a jug in the middle of the lake. I think we may have a giant on. That's our jug for sure, bro. There's no way. Unless somebody pulled it out here. That's our jug. I see my name on it. The line's tight. Come on, be a fish, man. Be a fish.
That's what we said about
Fish? Yeah, but...
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take sh**. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take sh**. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got
Okay, y'all, so we haven't cast any bait yet, but the first jug we see, my boy Parker spotted it. It is like half a mile from where we put it. And we got this nice channel cat, and it's actually a perfect eating one. And it had the treble hook like stuck in its lip to where I literally can't open it. So we're gonna go ahead and cut the hook off, and we're, going to dispatch of it properly. And then we will go ahead and fillet this guy up and probably just cook it another day. But definitely not gonna let this guy go to waste. But we did it. No, I'll tell you.
She's Grady.
Yeah, bro, yeah. I sure hope that's a jug. I mean, that's the only thing I see that looks like a jug. So we should have 2 jugs left. You got it, just go. Oh, broke the braid. Dude, this is 20-pound braid. There must be trees. Oh yeah, there's a tree right there, look. I bet he got in that tree and then it just snapped. Here, we use okay. Okay.
Did you see that?
Okay, y'all. So we were like 400 yards away. It's white capping. A horrible storm's kind of moving in, and I spotted our dang jug. I don't know how deep it is. I don't know if there's a fish, but all I know is it's half a mile from where we dang put it. There was.
We put it over.
We put it over that cove. I don't know if there's a fish on it, but it sure moved it. So I mean, there was a fish on it. I know that, but I think that this one had a single hook. So we're gonna find out. Hopefully we don't lose it if there is a fish.
Let's get that thing. Fish.
Yeah, big.
Make it to the top, taking off in the wind, I gotta make it. I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages of vacant. Modern kingdom for the taking.
She's on. Get her.
I never got anyone's hand. I had to do it all myself. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take sh**. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate.
Oh my God. Okay, we're keeping this guy too. He also swallowed the hook. I guess they always swallow hooks on jugs, which makes sense. You know, they're just sitting there forever. You never set the hook, so they're just kind of swallowing. But another giant keeper, they got to be 14, was it? 12. And both of ours are like 20 plus.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, we did it. Let's head back, get these guys filleted up. Thank y'all so much for watching this video. This was insane. We were hoping to catch a fish. Little did I know we were gonna catch 2 bass, a giant to keep, and then also 2 channel catfish, and a ton of bluegill, shiners, and the cast net worms, stuff like that in between. This was such an awesome adventure. We have a ton of videos just like this coming out very, very soon. Thank y'all so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, I would love if you would smash that subscribe button. I will see you guys on the next fishing adventure. Until next time, peace out.
Wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase